work also uses the medium of projection in some form, but again, we make a radical shift. Rather than projecting images in the film and narrative sense, the next artist creates something entirely unique, entirely different from what you might expect, and incredibly dramatic. It also happens to coincide with the most difficult piece of music that we play on the entire program by Barto, which requires us to completely shift how we sit. Bartok was not content with dividing up the orchestra into first, second violins, violas, cellos, and basses. He needed 4 different types of violins, 2 sets of violas, 2 sets of cellos, and 2 sets of basses, in addition to all kinds of other instruments in the percussion and string family. And Bartok was a math lover, as is our artist who has created this installation. Please join me in welcoming Ricardo Mondragon.